Thank you for being here. I'm Daniela Saioni. I am a veteran script supervisor of over 32 years. This talk is not only for people who are interested in becoming script supervisors, but I also do this to inform producers and directors and production managers and anyone else who needs to know how to use us, what we do in prep, what our responsibilities are, because I find that that knowledge of how to work with us has been greatly eroding in these past few decades as the industry moves so quickly and people are wonderfully able to be promoted and everything, but at the same time, not understanding a role doesn't mean that you like suddenly remove all prep for script supervisors. We'll talk about why prep is so important to us as I go through our roles and responsibilities and how it is a factor in saving money for producers. I have been script supervising on major motion pictures like Shazam, My Big Fat Greek Wedding, the original one, The Boondock Saints, A Simple Favor, so many big feature films, as well as lots of television series. We found out over the pandemic that Suits was probably the most streamed television series in history at 13 billion hours. I did the first 4 seasons of Suits. I did Covert Affairs and Soul Food, the series. Hundreds and hundreds of hours of television. It's safe to say that I am a veteran. I've also shot in 10 countries, so I teach internationally because this is an international position. It is a position that travels with production. I've been training script supervisors and directors and eventually later on screenwriters since 1995. And mainly because even back then in the 90s, our role wasn't fully understood, and I wanted to make it more accessible for people to get into the industry and also for people to understand how to work with us for the betterment of all of us.